Most people get this wrong. They assume internet and telecom providers are all the same. But the surprising truth about Lumen Technologies is that it offers enterprise-level connectivity solutions that many small and large businesses rely on, with a focus on speed, reliability, and managed services. Lumen provides fiber internet, cloud networking, edge computing, and cybersecurity solutions. You won't believe what happens next. Businesses can scale their network infrastructure without investing in physical hardware, which saves time and operational costs. Using Lumen is primarily aimed at businesses. After signing up, the company assesses your connectivity needs and recommends solutions such as high-speed fiber connections, managed VPNs, or cloud-based communication platforms. The platform also provides performance monitoring and 24/7 support, which is crucial for uptime-sensitive operations. One advantage is their global network reach. Lumen serves customers across multiple continents, making it suitable for companies with remote offices or international operations. Another benefit is integration with cloud services, allowing businesses to optimize workflows without complex IT setups. There are limitations. Lumen isn't designed for casual residential use. Pricing and plans reflect enterprise-level services. Additionally, setup can be more complex than consumer ISPs, often requiring IT consultation or installation by professionals. In conclusion, Lumen Technologies is ideal for businesses that need reliable, high-performance networking and cloud solutions. It's not for casual home use, but for companies looking to scale and optimize digital operations. It's worth considering. Subscribe for more in-depth reviews to make smarter decisions about tech and connectivity solutions.